Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use big screen size having Android smartphones with just one hand. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So on this tricks you can use any brand Android smartphone. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone. So if you're using a Pixel smartphone or any other smartphone brand, still this tricks will gonna work for you. So for this, just go to the phone settings and just scroll down and tap on this advanced feature, and now you'll see here one hand mode. So if you don't find under the advanced features on other brand smartphones, then you can use this search icon and you can directly search for one hand mode. So you will see here one hand mode. Just tap on it, it will take you to the one hand mode options directly. So just tap on it, and now below you can see here there are some options, gestures and button. So just enable firstly this option. Now you will get two options. So right now I'm using a gestures navigation. So if you're using a button navigation, as you can see, and you can see some instruction, swipe down the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So after enabling it, just swipe down. So you can see here the screen size has been reduced. Now you can see here one arrow. So if you tap on this, it will move the screen to the left and right depending upon which hand you are using, whether you are using with the left hand or you are using with the right hand. So you can just tap on this arrow icon in order to move it to the left and right of your screen. So now you can access it from here, everything, and if you want to restore it, just swipe down again. So now the screen size has been restored to the default screen size. So using this features named as one hand mode, you can use big screen size having Android smartphones with just one hand. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.